Hello and welcome to our word search Java demonstration. A word search is a grid of letters, and inside that grid is some words that the user needs to locate. It's a puzzle, and the words can run forward or backwards, horizontally or vertically. To create the word search, our user needs to create an input file, which we'll do now. We'll call the file, let's call it words. Inside the words file we can put some words. So we'll put cat, we'll put fly, and we'll put dog. So let's close and save that file and go back to Eclipse. So if we run the program in Eclipse, we'll be asked to enter the input file. So this is the file we've just created called words. So let's say words.txt. Okay. We'll also be asked to give the output file. So this is the file that will contain the grid when the program is complete. We'll call that grid.txt. And a third file is a solution file, which will locate the words if the user is unable to complete the puzzle. So we call that solution.txt. So when I put in those three pieces of input and I click OK, the grid will appear in front of the user. So inside this grid, we can find the words cat, dog, and fly. So the grid is quite small because the number of words are quite small. However, I have a second file already created called words long, which contains a lot more words and some longer words. So let's go back to Eclipse and run that program again. So this time the file is called words long.txt. Let's call it grid long.txt, and let's call it solution long.txt. Okay. So this time we can see that there's a much larger grid created. This is the cater for all the words, and the number of words has been increased to 9. So if the user is unable to create any of these words in the grid, they can go to that third solution file which was created. Let's open it. Let's take an easy one. It tells us orangutan is at position 3,1. So if we go back to our grid file and we go to 3,1, which is start at the top left, and we go 1, 2, 3, and we get to O. So we know that the starting position of orangutan is here.